Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can wrap text in Google Docs, and this will make sure any object like images, shapes, or text box will live together peacefully with the current text, so it's not going to make your document into the state of disarray. And the key of that is to make sure you're using the correct wrapping settings. So let me show you how you can achieve this effect in your document. Okay, I'm going to insert an image to this section of the document. You can also insert other objects like shapes and text box. So go to insert and then click image. You can select any sources for the image, but in this example, I'm going to be using search the web option. Let's say I want to use the same picture as the example that I've shown you, which is the picture of Henry Cavill. Okay, let's select this picture. Okay, now you can see that it starts to wreak havoc the whole document, and the original document was only one page, but now we have 3 pages, and that's absolutely unnecessary. We can make this image a lot smaller. So in order to do that, click on the image and then resize to the desired size that you want to fit in the document. So maybe I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Okay, I think that is similar to the previous example. And you might have noticed that there is another toolbar here that is related to text wrapping, and there are many options. So I'm going to select this text wrapping setting for this picture, and it will automatically put the text together with the image. You can also select other settings like this one, and you can also put the text on top or behind the text. That is also possible, but in my opinion, usually this option called wrap text is the best for most cases. Okay, you can also select the margin, or basically the distance between the text and also the image in this line, in this area. You can select the margin to, for example, 1 inch. If it's too big, then you can revert back to the default setting. So basically your goal here is to make sure the image and the text look as organized as possible, and there are many other settings you can customize for this image. So yeah, go ahead, be creative and try to present the image and the text as pretty and as organized as possible. So that's a simple way to wrap text in Google Docs. And if you want to make the image a bit more prominent, you can try adding border to it. If you want to learn how to add borders to an image in Google Docs, you can check out this guide, and I'll see you on that video.